out from my window.
Alrighty guys, I just finished my appointment at Blink Bar. I am lashed up again. I'm so happy. This time I tried a new lash tech. Her name is Cassie or Cassandra, and she did such a great job. I basically just like showed her my old lashes that I got done also at Blink Bar, but just like another lash tech, and she did a pretty good job basically replicating it. And for some reason I could not sleep, guys. I couldn't sleep. I don't know why. We got our lashes done. I still have to run some errands. So now we gotta go to the post office and pick up my package and all that stuff. So let's go ahead. It is now 84 degrees. It was literally like 60 this morning. I just got home from my lash appointment and from running errands. I picked up a couple of packages that I missed for like the last couple of days, and I also went to the post office to check my PO box and also send like a mail and stuff. But I wanted to unbox some packages with you. Look at this beauty right here. So this package is from Olive & June. Put your mani in the fast lane. There are 19 new shades plus a quick dry top coat, and they have my name on it. It says, Farina, we know you like to travel, and now you can have a mani that doesn't slow you down. We hope you love our newest innovation, quick dry polish. It's time to put your mani in the fast lane. All of you, like I love you, but all of you. You guys, I've been literally non-stop saying that I'm in my travel vlogger era, and I'm not gonna stop saying it because I'm literally manifesting it day by day, and I can see it coming true day by day. So it's just funny that they literally said, we know we love to travel. I mean, I don't know if they said that in every PR package, but these are the nail polish that they sent. I love that we have a lot of pastels. Anyways, looks like a pizza, bro. I am currently in the floor right now because I'm about to get ready, and this is my favorite spot at the moment to do my makeup because there's a lot of lighting. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get ready because we're actually going to an event, and I'm so excited. But before we go ahead and have fun at the event, I want to do a little get ready with me featuring products from IT Cosmetics, and I want to give a huge thank you to IT Cosmetics for sponsoring today's video. If you guys are not aware, IT Cosmetics is having their friends and family sale from October 17th until October 28th. So if you guys are planning on restocking your products, or maybe you want to try out their skincare and makeup products, literally now is the right time because you get 25% off site-wide, and if you use the code MAGIC35 you will get 35% off on top of the sale. Like, is that not enticing enough? Because I'd definitely be on their website right now adding products to my cart because that is such a great deal. They're also including a makeup bag as well as 4 deluxe samples of your choice if you spend $100 or more. I wanted to share that because you guys are my besties, and of course I want you to get the best deals out there, so definitely check them out. Speaking of IT Cosmetics, I am going to be wearing some of their products in this video because I've been using them for the last couple of weeks, and I'm like, oh my god, like why did it take me so long to literally get in the IT Cosmetics bandwagon? They are so good, you guys, and they have both makeup and skincare. First things first, I'm gonna apply the IT Cosmetics Bye Dark Spots Niacinamide Serum. As you can see, I have a couple of pimple scars slash acne scars that are kind of basically dark spots at this point, and honestly I'm a little bit insecure about them, so if you got nothing nice to say, please just don't say it. It is formulated with 4% niacinamide and 1% ethyl vitamin C. With that specific formulation, it visibly reduces dark spots and discoloration while also improving your skin's clarity, and I feel like that's something that I've noticed for the last couple of weeks because I've definitely been a lot darker in the past, but ever since I started using this, I see the little progress. Also, this smells so good. And don't forget your neck, okay? Instead of wiping away the remaining product, drag it to your neck, guys. Drag it to your neck. Next, we have a moisturizer, and this is actually the #1 anti-aging moisturizer in America right now. It is Supercharged. I don't know about you guys, but my skin barrier is damaged, probably because I I was using this one specific face wash, and the consistency of that face wash was really rough, and a lot of people have told me not to use it, but I was like, but it works on my skin. My skin barrier is basically non-existent at this point, so like whenever I apply certain serums, it kind of stings, and at one point I was like, oh, this is probably normal because it's like my first time using it. No, that is a sign that your skin barrier is at risk, or it is damaged, or it's you need to repair it. So I like this moisturizer because it strengthens and also repairs my damaged skin barrier, which is something that I've been trying to work on constantly. With this moisturizer, I can definitely feel it being repaired. This moisturizer provides 48 hours of hydration and contains higher concentrations of niacinamide, squalene, and peptide lipid complex to reverse 10 signs of aging skin in just 2 weeks. Up next, I have the CC Plus Nude Glow, which is a color correcting medium coverage skin tint. It is also a brightening glow serum, and it has an SPF of 40. It is literally the perfect lightweight foundation to give you that makeup to no makeup look, which I prefer because I feel like I'm more of a natural makeup look girly rather than, you know, a full glam. Don't get me wrong, there are days and occasions where I want to put on a full glam, but most of the time I love a good natural no makeup look, and this is the best foundation for that. This foundation is very lightweight. It has a fluid skin tint texture. This one has a 90% skincare formula with 2% niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, and green tea extract. Also recently I've been kind of like skipping putting foundation on my forehead just because I feel like I don't really need the coverage. If anything, if I have any product leftovers on my brush, I kind of just like brush it up. So last but not least, I have these Superhero No Tug waterproof eyeshadow sticks, and I have 3 of them here. They're all basically like nude colors or neutral colors because this is like my favorite shades for eyeshadows. These are honestly super blendable and so pretty. They blend seamlessly, they're comfortable, and there's also so many shades to choose from, and I just got my neutrals because you guys know I love my neutrals. So alrighty guys, this is the final look. It is literally the perfect no makeup look, super easy, and thank you to IT Cosmetics for helping me achieve this glowy no makeup look. If you guys want to check out the products that I use in this video, I will have the product links down below. Once again, don't forget to check out IT Cosmetics Friends and Family sale. It is happening now until October 28th. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get ready, and let's go ahead and go to the event.
I have strength and abundance. These are all the things that we bring with our class, so that not only can you use that in the class, but you're going to use that the rest of the day. I'm going to be reiterating that as you're working out. Yo, you are strong. You got it. Let's go. Let's get this done. And then, you know, at the end of the class, there's a meditation.
So I took off my sweater because it is literally so hot right now, even though it was freezing this morning. But I just opened another package. It is from Salon Perfect. They sent over this Halloween themed lashes. Do we have lashes here? Oh, they're like glitter lacquers and nail sets. Wait, it's one of those like things that you open each day leading up to the event, like the Christmas boxes. we got a nail polish. We have this red one, which is kind of like very similar to my nails. This is another press on. Pink nail polish. What is this? Oh, I think this is Sour Patch. It's kind of stuck over there. We have this very cute press on nail. Sour Patch, and last but not least, an orange one. So they sent over like Halloween colors. But yeah, thank you so much, Salon Perfect. Next package we have is from Los Angeles Apparel, and they used to be known as American Apparel, and they reached out over the weekend. They were like, we'd love to send you something. So I picked out a ton of basics for me to wear pretty much all year round. I have this gray sweats. I love gray sweats, and this one is so freaking smooth, you guys. I also got the matching cropped little crew neck or mock neck, and it's gonna be a really cute outfit. And last but not least, I picked up their one-piece bodysuit. I love a good one piece, and even though it's getting colder right now, I feel like I can still wear them to my workout classes. So I just got this gray one because I actually don't have a gray one, and this looks promising. Like, honestly, the crotch area doesn't look like it's gonna be weird, so I'm hoping that it really fits me well.
From my window, sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon, Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on, all the way baritone. Yeah. Shut the lights, go